I'm about to give you everything that you need to know in order to start SaaS with GoHighLevel because you guys have been asking me. You guys want, this type of video. You guys want this type of video. All right, well, I'm just going to give you the whole entire thing, the whole shebang, the whole checklist of how you can start SaaS with GoHighLevel. And so on my whole entire screen, you can actually see I made a whole entire checklist. And the first one is literally do your research. So when I say do your research, I mean like, for example, my content like right here, I post videos on SaaS and GoHighLevel all the time. You can check my shorts. I post videos all the time. Even on Instagram. I do this on TikTok too. I do this literally everywhere, every single day, just so you guys can get better with GoHighLevel and learn more about SaaS. So literally just do your research. When you go into GoHighLevel, you're going to see all these features on the left side and you're going to get confused. You're going to be like, what is this? How do I even use these tools? Do your research on all the features. Do your research on everything. But of course, you're not actually going to get the best experience until you actually try it out for yourself. So the second one is actually which way will you go? So actually I'm gonna make this number 3. So number 2, start your 30-day free trial. You're gonna want to start GoHighLevel the right way. When I started my 14-day trial. I got 2 weeks free, and then after that I started paying. But what I didn't know is that there's a whole month free that you can get with a specific link, and that link is gonna be in the description, and that's where you can get 30 days free, like it says here. On the regular GoHighLevel website, for some reason it says 14 days. But with this link right here, which is my affiliate link, you can get 30 days free. So make sure to check that out. And then after that, which is third on the checklist, you're going to want to find which way you're going to go. Are you going to be an affiliate or are you going to go to business route? So an affiliate meaning, are you going to, use a custom link like this? And are you going to get clicks? Are you going to get customers? Are you going to get referrals? Money coming in every month? Because with GoHighLevel, you get 40% recurring commission for referring customers to high-level plans. And recruit affiliates also get 5% override commission from their earnings, which is pretty insane. And this is also infinite, and this is also forever. This isn't for like 1 year, 4 months, 6 months. This is literally forever, for as long as the person pays. And if you look at GoHighLevel's plans, there's 97, 297, 497. So let's say someone purchases on your affiliate link for 297. You're getting 40% of that, which I believe is a good amount of money. And even 497, that's extremely good amount of money. So you can either go that route or you can go the business route where you're actually selling the software itself, which is what I do as well, which is when you send cold emails, cold outreach DMs, and you white label the software, you name it your own, change the logo, and you just pitch businesses specifically to actually use the software, which is what I do. I mean, I use a whole automation for this. I'll show you guys right here. And this automation literally just does the cold outreach for me. I just add the contact to GoHighLevel. I give them a specific tag and then they get inputted into this automation, which is pretty insane. I mean, it's doing all the work for me. I have 8 emails being sent out every couple of days to that specific person. If they don't respond, it keeps going. If they unsubscribe or turn D&D on, then it's going to be, they're going to get removed from the workflow and I'll get a notification. And if they reply, doesn't matter if it's positive or not, I'm going to get a notification as well to either respond or to ignore it if it's negative. So that's really good. I love the business route, which is what I do, but with content, I do affiliate. Number 4, create content. And it's funny because I was just about to record the video an hour and a half ago. Right now it's 4:22. I just got a sale literally like 40 minutes ago, and they just started the Essentials plan, which is pretty cool. So if you actually start GoHighLevel, if you start doing SaaS, if you start promoting, like I guarantee you this sale was through my content. Like I was literally just about to record, doing my own thing, and then a sale just came in. So back to my content, just like this. Start creating content. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, where you're posting shorts. It can be long form just like this one, which is what I'm trying to get better at, which actually helps nurture people way better to actually purchase your products. So you can create long form, short form. You can create videos about anything and, create videos about GoHighLevel once in a while. But make sure to use your affiliate link so you're also getting paid out of that. And yeah, just start creating content. Get your face out there. Get your brand out there. Because, just like Jordan Welsh, if you're in my newsletter, make sure to join that. I sent out a newsletter that says Jordan Welsh, when he started SaaS, he was going to go broke. And then he decided, I'm just going to pitch this to my audience. He just literally got thousands and thousands overnight just by doing that because his audience is huge. And he didn't even thinking about pitching it to his audience or, telling his audience about it. If you grow an audience, that's probably the best way to promote your stuff, especially if they're a loyal fan base. Number 5, your job is sales. Get on as many calls as possible. When I started SaaS, I did not want to get on calls at all. I tried to close people through emails, through texting. And while that's okay, I mean, calling is way better because you're going to get that conversion rate way higher, and it's a higher chance of you actually closing the person because you're building that connection. This is where you actually can build structures like an ICP, an ideal customer profile. So going into my role here, which is where I have all my business stuff, and you could do this by creating an ICP, an ideal customer profile, describing your ideal customer and actually pitching to that specific person. And you know how to pitch them because you actually describe them. Or you can also create things like this, where if someone signs up, you have, what stage they're in, what you're going to do in that stage, touch points, questions, and you list like a bunch of analytics on the customers, how they're going to react to certain things, and just getting a whole bunch of analytics to use that data to actually back your sale, because then you could predict certain actions. And it gets really nerdy, but you get the point. And so you also want to get leads. What I use to get leads is ListKit, which thanks to Ravi for hooking me up with this. ListKit is awesome. You literally just generate leads super easily. You can pick the company. Let's just put company. Let's put construction, or let's put rail transportation. We're going to do that, and boom, here's just a bunch of leads just for that. And you can even make it even more specific. So definitely use ListKit or some type of software to get leads. Be careful because some of them are going to be low quality. But with ListKit, I trust it. I think it's pretty high quality. I think it's actually pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much all 5. That's a checklist for you. If you want the whole entire checklist and like a whole document full of everything that you need to do, you can just, get it in the description or in the comment section. I'll probably pin it there. And make sure to use my affiliate link if you're going to use GoHighLevel. And also check out Miro, because Miro is insane. This is where I build all of my structures. This is where I build absolutely everything for my business, for my personal life, for my expenses, for my budgeting, for absolutely everything. So, and yeah, hopefully this video is valuable. If you like it, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.